All right, everyone. So today we're in a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. We're just going to be going over a few of the basic 4x4 system settings, how to use them, where they are. Hopefully this video helps someone. Everything we go over here, I would definitely recommend trying it on a flat road a few times, really, just to get used to how things feel, how they respond. And that way, when you're on an actual trail, you feel really comfortable with it. We shot this video pretty late in the evening. The lighting's not the best, I know, but hopefully you get something out of it. So let's just get into it.
If you look over here, you'll see where it says 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. So from 2 high to 4 high, you want to be driving, you can be anywhere between 5 to 25 miles. But simply all you do is you pull straight back while you're rolling, just like that. And now it'll show on the dash that you're in 4 high, and that's it. Now to get out of it, you're just same thing, rolling and up, and that's 2 high. In parking, I've found is the easiest way to bring it down to 4 low. So there is your 4 high, and you just bring it back down, and that's 4 low. So if you're in park, and right here we're in 4 high, let me see. Yeah, so you can see we're in a 4 high. And to bring it down into 4 low, just bring it down, and it shows you auto park disabled, and it turns off your traction control. So now to get out of it, you want to be in neutral, and then just bring this on up, and that actually shifted right into 4 high. If I want to go back out, then up, and now we're back in 2 high. So once again, we want to be in drive for 4 high, and then you just bring that down. So right there, we're already in 4 high, and then we want to be in park or stop to come down to 4 low. And I want to show you guys this right here is neutral, and it'll give you a warning. It'll give you this warning of neutral, and even if you're in drive, the car will not go anywhere. So just wait till the RPMs go back down, bring it down into 4 low, and there we go. All right, so in 2 high, I just wanted to show you real quick. In 2 high, your hill descent will not work. See, it says hill descent unavailable, and your diff lock will not work. Also, your sway bar disconnect, if I press it, see, to disconnect sway bar, engage 4 high or 4 low. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now this is something you might want to do a few times before you go off-road, just to make sure you're comfortable with it. So if you scroll through these options here, up and down, you'll find the drivetrain right about there. So now that we're in 4 low, if I go ahead and press, let's go ahead and engage the front and rear. So it goes ahead and shows you it's locked. You see the lock icons on both. If I go ahead and disconnect the sway bar disconnect in progress. If I just roll a little bit, gotta be in drive for that. Bam, sway bar disconnected. Now it shows you your diff is locked and that the sway bar is disconnected. To turn the diff lock off, you just gotta press it, and there it goes. So now you're back to normal. Oh, gotta get out of 4 low. Bam, there we are.
Make sure you check out the channel. We got plenty of cool videos on there. There's a lot more coming. So If this helped you out, smash that like button. If I missed something, comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.